In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, the ability to learn, adapt, and grow is more important than ever. This is where the concept of a growth mindset comes into play. Popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, the growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication, hard work, and learning. It stands in contrast to a fixed mindset, where individuals believe that their abilities are static and unchangeable. Developing a growth mindset is crucial for achieving success, fostering resilience, and unlocking your full potential. Whether you're striving for personal improvement, professional advancement, or better relationships, adopting this mindset can transform the way you approach challenges and setbacks. In this video, we'll explore the concept of the growth mindset, its benefits, and practical steps you can take to cultivate it in your daily life. At its core, a growth mindset is the belief that talent, intelligence, and skills can be cultivated and improved over time. Individuals with this mindset see challenges as opportunities for learning rather than as obstacles. They are more likely to embrace difficulties, persist in the face of setbacks, and seek out constructive feedback to enhance their abilities. In contrast, a fixed mindset leads individuals to believe that their abilities are predetermined and unchangeable. They tend to avoid challenges, give up easily, and view effort as fruitless. As a result, those with a fixed mindset may shy away from taking risks or exploring new opportunities, fearing failure and judgment. Adopting a growth mindset can have profound effects on various aspects of your life. Some key benefits include enhanced learning and adaptability. With a growth mindset, you view learning as a lifelong journey. You become open to new experiences, ideas, and perspectives, making it easier to adapt to changes and stay relevant in an ever-evolving world. Increased resilience. Setbacks and failures are inevitable in life, but how you respond to them makes all the difference. A growth mindset enables you to bounce back from difficulties with greater resilience, as you view these experiences as learning opportunities rather than failures. Improved self-esteem. When you believe that you have the power to improve your abilities, you're less likely to be discouraged by external judgments or setbacks. This leads to greater self-confidence and a more positive self-image. Stronger relationships. A growth mindset encourages open communication, empathy, and collaboration. In relationships, whether personal or professional, it fosters understanding and cooperation as you view others' perspectives as opportunities for growth. Achieving long-term goals. A growth mindset enables you to stay motivated and persevere in the face of challenges. This is particularly important for achieving long-term goals, as it allows you to maintain focus, continuously learn, and adjust your approach as needed. Now that we've established the importance of a growth mindset, let's explore practical strategies to help you cultivate it in your daily life. The first step in developing a growth mindset is to become aware of fixed mindset thoughts when they arise. These thoughts often manifest as negative self-talk, such as, "I'm not good at this. I'll never be able to do it. This is too hard, I should give up." When you catch yourself thinking this way, challenge these thoughts by reframing them with growth-oriented statements. "I'm not good at this yet, but I can improve with practice. I might struggle now, but I can learn and get better over time. This is difficult, but it's an opportunity to grow and build resilience." By consciously reframing your thoughts, you begin to shift your mindset toward growth and improvement. Rather than avoiding challenges out of fear of failure, view them as valuable learning experiences. Each time you step outside your comfort zone, you stretch your abilities and gain new skills. Whether you succeed or fail, the experience itself contributes to your growth. Next time you encounter a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this experience make me stronger? What skills do I need to develop to overcome this challenge? By approaching challenges with curiosity and an open mind, you'll develop the resilience and perseverance necessary to succeed. In a growth mindset, failure is not something to be feared. It's an essential part of the learning process. Instead of viewing mistakes as proof of inadequacy, see them as stepping stones to improvement. Analyze your failures to understand what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. When you experience setbacks, ask yourself, what did I learn from this experience? What changes can I make to improve my approach? How can I apply this lesson in the future? Embracing failure as a teacher not only builds resilience, but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability for your growth. A growth mindset thrives on a passion for learning. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge, and continuously challenge yourself to expand your skill set. Whether through formal education, online courses, reading, or simply trying new things, prioritize learning as a lifelong pursuit. Surround yourself with resources that encourage growth, such as books, podcasts, or mentors who inspire you to develop and improve. The more you immerse yourself in a growth-oriented environment, the more naturally this mindset will develop. A key aspect of the growth mindset is recognizing that effort is just as important as outcomes. While success is often measured by results, the process of working toward a goal is where true growth occurs. When you focus on effort, you develop discipline and perseverance, build a strong work ethic, gain satisfaction from the progress you're making, regardless of the final outcome. By celebrating your efforts and improvements, even if the result isn't perfect, you'll stay motivated to keep pushing forward. Feedback is a critical component of the growth process. Instead of fearing criticism, actively seek out feedback from others to help identify areas for improvement. Constructive feedback provides valuable insights that can accelerate your development and help you see blind spots that may have gone unnoticed. When receiving feedback, stay open-minded and focus on how the information can help you improve. Rather than taking criticism personally, use it as an opportunity to refine your skills and abilities. The people you spend time with can greatly influence your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who encourage growth, embrace challenges, and view setbacks as opportunities for learning. Their positive attitudes and growth-oriented perspectives can inspire and motivate you to adopt the same mindset. Conversely, avoid those who constantly engage in fixed mindset thinking, such as negativity, self-doubt, or fear of failure. By choosing to be in an environment that fosters growth, you'll naturally absorb the values and habits of a growth mindset. While developing a growth mindset can be incredibly rewarding, it's not always easy. There will be times when old fixed mindset patterns resurface, or you may encounter obstacles that challenge your commitment to growth. Here's how to overcome some common obstacles. Fear of failure. Remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Focus on what you can learn from your mistakes, rather than dwelling on the negative aspects. Impatience. Developing new skills and abilities takes time. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. External pressure. Sometimes, societal or cultural expectations may push you to seek perfection or avoid risks. Stay true to your growth mindset and prioritize learning over external judgments. In conclusion, developing a growth mindset is a powerful way to unlock your full potential and achieve lifelong success. By embracing challenges, learning from failure, and continuously seeking self-improvement, you can transform the way you approach every aspect of your life. Remember that the journey toward a growth mindset is ongoing. It requires practice, patience, and perseverance. But with dedication and the right mindset, you'll be well on your way to achieving personal and professional growth, fostering resilience, and becoming the best version of yourself. So take the first step today. Challenge yourself, learn from your experiences, and embrace the mindset that you can always improve, grow, and succeed. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.